I am Madhusudan Reddy, correspondent of Bala Siddhartha School, Badangpet, Hyderabad. I have been in this field for the past 28 years. I have started 13 years back this school with a vision to give the morals, discipline and education. Students should come with a desire to learn, to come to school. So here the overall development will be done, particularly on the morals, on the discipline, on the grooming, studies, education, everything. I have been using this product this current academic year TopTech. I find the beauty in this is learning management system, LMS. This system, we have interactive panel boards. They have given a software learning management system. This is engaging our students in the classroom. The students are curious to learn the new things. The language is very simple to understand. The concept is very simple. They designed very well, and it engages our students to grow and think and explore in future. So I recommend this TopTech series. Thank you very much.
Reach out to us at 1800-266-6676 or visit www.navneettoptech.com.